Husbands and wives can argue over the smallest things that we can think of. When it comes to home renovation, one of the hottest topics of debate is the choice of color. Colors matter much to a house, as a good selection would make a home inviting. Do you know the greatest need of a household? According to my own experience, the answer is God's blessings. Psalm 127 supports my conviction. Let's ponder verse 1 and 2 of this psalm. If the Lord does not build a house, then those who built it work in vain. If the Lord does not guard a city, then the watchman stands guard in vain. It is vain for you to rise early, come home late, and work so hard for your food. Yes, He can provide for those whom He loves even when they sleep. Let's pose a question to God. Dear God, can you bless me and my family? Let's practice what you learned. Pray for God's blessings on your household. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share the blessings that you and your family experience with another family.